Good morning, all of you. My name is Vana Sapnam. My father's name is Sunalla Se. My mother's name is Edwina Khatun. I teach in class nursery. I am a student of Mahatma Gandhi English Academy. Today I am going to recite the rhymes. The rhymes name Row your boat, row your boat, gently down, Jim. Merrily, 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 life is what a dream. Row your boat, gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to swim.